91-year-old Marjorie Bloom is playing with Play-Doh and teaching 2-year-old Otis everything she knows. That's because Marjorie is a resident at Nightingale House Care Home in South London, which has just become the first care home in Britain to house a full-time nursery on site.
What do you think it gives you, spending time with the children?
Enormous pleasure. It's taking you back years. I've got grown-up children, and suddenly I'm with these lovely ones. I can't explain how lovely they are.
The concept of a nursery within a care home is already popular in parts of Europe and Asia. Staff here say it benefits both young and old.
Seeing the children, hearing the children, it changes the routine. You can pop in, you can see them and interact. It has brought back so many memories for the residents, and they share them, and the children benefit so much too.
89-year-old Faye Garcia says having the children here is the highlight of her week.
I don't have children of my own, but I've adopted all these gorgeous children.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Oh, it's wonderful.
She was shy at first, but 3-year-old Neve has now made friends with 92-year-old Arnold.
And is Arnold nice? Do you like to come here and talk to Arnold? Is he friendly?
It's absolutely fascinating. And it's everything they do is original. It's special.
The smiles say it all. For both the residents and the children, this is a winning formula. Layla Hayes, 5 News.